Hey everyone, this is Ryder from Skip. Like millions of you, we're tired of waiting for the government to decide on the fate of stimulus checks. So we've decided to give out stimulus checks ourselves. 100% of our YouTube revenue for this month will go towards giving out $1,200 stimulus checks towards subscribers. In this quick video, I'm going to talk about what exactly you need to do to be in the running for one of our Skip $1,200 stimulus checks, why we're doing this. We don't have the millions of dollars that YouTubers like Mr. Beast has in revenue, but we can still make an impact and we can still try to help as many individuals as possible. One requirement is to watch until the end, and we're going to verify that. We are doubling our revenue every month. Now 100% of that revenue in September will go towards you. I'm going to explain the 3 quick things you need to do to be eligible to get a stimulus check from us and how to increase your chances of getting one. The first step is subscribing to this channel, so please subscribe if you haven't, and thank you so much for supporting us. For all of you who've watched our channel in the past, you know we cover stimulus checks, stimulus news, EIDL, PPP news on a near daily basis. We've been obsessed with this and we watch the news constantly for any updates from Congress, the Senate, the President, you name it. In fact, we've been doing these videos since March. In the early days, I sat on my couch with my dog explaining the CARES Act, the EIDL and PPP funding, and how to make sure you got this. Here's an early washed out video of me on my couch with my dog explaining important stimulus updates and EIDL advance. In fact, this was on April 15th, the day when the most amount of stimulus checks in the country were distributed. And since then, there hasn't been much good news. And I'm going to show you the money we've made on our YouTube channel in a minute and how much we can potentially give out to folks in the next 2 months. But I first want to tell you why we're doing this. If you've watched any of our videos in the past month, you know that these negotiations between Pelosi, Mnuchin, Mark Meadows have been frankly a waste of time. And at this point, I've predicted that nothing will get done, especially before the election, which is frustrating. Everyone in this country who needs it should absolutely get a second stimulus check. This is what CNBC put up yesterday, that the second stimulus checks did have bipartisan support. Now they could be a long shot. Of course, I believe they are very much a long shot, and it's virtually certain that stimulus checks will not be approved. But here's the news from moments ago that the scaled back Republican stimulus plan has failed, not surprisingly, as I've predicted all along. In fact, if you've been watching any videos on stimulus checks, you know that since July, all of the videos have been, when will we get our second stimulus checks? When will we get our second stimulus checks? We believe that helping a small number of people get stimulus checks is better than the government not giving out any stimulus check. Our mission is to give out as many stimulus checks as possible. In fact, many of you also may know that we also sent thousands and thousands of emails to senators across the country based on your request to try to get the full $10,000 EIDL loans, again, for any entrepreneurs, small businesses, or even independent contractors to get that full $10,000 EIDL grant. We've pushed for that from day one. Nothing happened, so we asked ourselves, what else can we do to help people? And no, we are not like Mr. Beast, where we have millions and millions of subscribers yet, where we can give out $1 million at a time, especially when it comes to government-related services and resources. So all of the money from our channel between September 1st and the end of October will be put towards giving out stimulus checks. Now, here's how our revenue looked in July and August. So at this rate, for those of you quick with the math, we can give out approximately 10 full stimulus checks to individuals and subscribers of our channel. We do hope that we will be able to donate hundreds of stimulus checks to folks like you or your friends or family members. Again, this is the real deal, and whether we can help 20 families or hundreds of families, it's up to you and your support for this video. So here's how we're going to decide who to give out these $1,200 checks to. On October 1st, we will announce the winners in a video, but along the way, we will be sharing updates about other programs we're doing. So the first thing you need to do is subscribe to this channel, because every winner we're going to check to make sure you're subscribed. Number 2, you need to leave a comment in this video with the hashtag stimulus. Then we're going to use commentpicker.com to choose a random YouTube comment from this video. Then we'll pick a random winner who's left a comment. In this case, it's Benji Parker. We would check to make sure you're subscribed to our channel. We'll ask for a screenshot that you've not only watched this entire video, but you've also liked this video as well. In a video on October 1st, we will pick the winners live and record it and announce it So you need to make sure your alerts are turned on when you subscribe to this channel. Now, the other piece of good news is our goal is to help as many people as possible. If we reach 50,000 subscribers by the end of September, we will continue this through October so people will have more chances. Again, 100% of all of our revenue generated will go towards $1,200 stimulus checks. So if we make $48,000 this September from YouTube, there will be 48 of you who get a $1,200 check from Skip. And if we get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of September, we'll double the stimulus checks to $2,400. The winners will get more money. The odds might be a bit tougher that you actually win. Still, it's all up to you and subscribing, leaving a comment, and liking this video.